What's up, Spy Ninjas? We are gonna trick PZ9. Regina's out renting a car right now. Oh, wait, here she comes. Hey, Regina, stop! Stop! You're gonna run over! Wait, Regina, stop! Stop! Oh, you ran over! Oh, stop!
What?
Yes, you ran over my squishy. Get out here. Come look at this.
He's fine. He's just fine.
Whoa, he is fine. I guess he does that on purpose. But you almost hit the safe. Look over here.
Look how close it is! I worked so hard for!
Oh my
Don't leave your belongings on the floor.
I got a really good idea now with the squishy. Follow me. It was really satisfying seeing you run this over, Regina, so I've got an idea. Today, we're gonna be running over each other's items with the car.
What? No! I don't want to do it!
If you don't want your stuff run over, you have to successfully throw a ninja star at a balloon. If you can do that, you don't get your things run over. Woo, here we go. 3, 2, 1. Oh, where'd it go?
Into the pool.
Oh, there it is, in the pool.
Go get it, Regina. Jump in.
We're gonna have you throw away from the pool, B.
Ready?
Ready.
Okay, Regina, you first. What item do you want run over?
My ball collection.
Your ball collection?
Yeah.
Whoa, check it out.
Whoa.
Made a rainbow.
My collection. It's okay. I'll buy new ones. It was worth the satisfaction.
Yeah, I'll say.
Okay, Daniel, what am I squishing?
I guess my little friends here, they're so colorful and they're so nice to me, and you're gonna make me run them over?
Oh, and they're filled with something special.
Yeah, a little surprise inside.
Oh.
I was hoping I would never see the surprise inside, but now we're gonna find out what's inside. That guy's totally gone. Look at the tire prints.
Guy.
What the heck happened to him?
They squished him.
Hey, this cool dude is just fine.
Oh, that boy, he was my favorite anyway.
Look, they all regurgitated. Look how gross this is.
Next up is my Fortnite squishy going right here. He's totally fine, I knew it. I didn't even get a turn last time, so now I'm gonna try to pop a balloon so I can run over all of y'all's stuff.
Please miss, Chad.
Come on, balloon.
Okay, but you're next.
Yeah, where's your items?
I only have one.
Oh, I see 3 in there.
No, I only have one.
What else you got in your
This is
pocket?
my unicorn.
Let's see.
Here, this little pink one.
Oh,
it's
look
so
at these-
cute.
look at these little
It's my
squishy
favorite.
unicorns.
Ooh, those are
I
fun.
only have 2.
You got 3.
Oh.
Oh! Whoa! What happened to Pinkberry?
Oh my gosh, they all survived! And they made really satisfying noises.
I don't know. This guy did not survive.
Oh, no, my favorite!
He popped.
Ah.
Okay, Regina, what's your item?
My little chickens. We got Nick, Joe, and Kevin. I have a good feeling something really cool is gonna happen.
Oh?
They got me all wet. Their eggs popped. You see, this is the yolk.
Disgusting. But don't tell me I have to destroy all my toothpaste.
Why do you have so much toothpaste, Daniel?
You see those teeth?
They're not that white. That's why I bought so much. This is all I have, Regina.
That's
toothpaste!
Is that toothpaste or green slime? I can't tell. Yeah, you can brush your teeth. Oh my.
I need new pantalones!
It looks like green slime for real.
Yeah, like the slime they put on my head that one time.
Oh.
Oh.
Daniel's turn.
Ready to miss?
Why do you think I'm gonna miss? I always don't miss.
Regina, remember your throw?
Oh.
I'm not gonna pull Regina because I am Daniel. 3, 2, 1, here we go!
What?
How did this happen?
It went.
Are you sure you're not Regina?
Hey, it takes skill to get it in the pool. Aiming over there, you know what I mean?
Oh my gosh. Okay, I think we need Regina to try again. Daniel, you're out. Regina, you're in. If you get this one in the pool, please don't.
I won't. I got this.
Okay. Oh! What? Regina!
Sorry.
What is going on?
This is even worse because it's in the big pool now.
Oh my gosh, Regina.
The balloon's that way, you big goon.
Next person to go swimming, be careful. There's sharp items at the bottom of the pool. Okay, Daniel, I think you need to try again.
All right, okay.
No more pools. What item do you want run over?
My squishy blue ball.
Your squishy ball. Put it underneath the back tire, Regina.
Mr. Ball, he still works.
Why do you call everything Mr. Bear, Mr. Ball? Hang on. That was somewhat satisfying, but you know what's gonna be really satisfying? If we cut a little slice. There. Oh. Okay. This is gonna be fun.
Mr. Ball! Look what you did!
Oh my gosh, I'm turning blue. We're all turning blue. Not my breakfast pineapple. Oh, how could you run this over, Daniel?
You eat breakfast for pineapple? I mean,
Yeah, I eat breakfast for pineapples.
you know what I mean.
Uh-huh. My delicious pineapple! Oh, it smells so good.
It's my soda pop that you're gonna be crushing, Daniel. I'm actually kind of excited to see what happens.
Oh, Regina!
Regina, what happened?
Soda got you!
I was just trying to get a good slow-mo shot.
Oh.
Regina.
You smell so nice, though.
Okay, I gotta do this again.
The one.
Chad, what item are you gonna squeeze?
Well, you're gonna squeeze my squeeze ball.
Ooh, that's
Okay.
gonna be nice.
Oh, my squishy ball! Whoa, what is that? It's like shining and sparkling. Should I not even touch it? I probably shouldn't touch it. Don't touch it.
No.
No. Just kidding.
I guess I'll put my bananas I was gonna eat. I'll just go hungry, it's fine.
Don't be so dramatic.
Whoa, Daniel, look at that. Look at your banana, Daniel.
Oh my gosh! Look!
Oh my gosh, you can see the tire print. That was a very satisfying crunch.
Wow, that was fantastic. It actually still looks edible.
Try it.
Yeah?
No. You know what would be the most satisfying thing to crush? A hacker mask. Whoa, I broke his nose. Whoa. Look at that.
Dad.
Hello, I'm a hacker. My nose.
I'm pretty excited to see if the real fruit or the fake squishy fruit's gonna do better. I don't know which one's more satisfying. I hope they're all gonna be satisfying. You guys, actually, the squishies held up way better.
To the ground.
Yes, I still get to keep this one.
No fair.
All right. Enough fun with the rental car, guys. We need to use it for this upcoming mission. We gotta go trick PZ9. Are you guys ready? Let's do this.
Yes, yes, let's do it.
Shout out to all you notification ninjas who get here in the first 60 minutes. I hope you enjoyed our squishy fun video here. The next video is gonna be on VQuaint's channel, so make sure you subscribe to her. And that video is gonna be right around here. Subscribe to everybody.
Kick bomb!